Let's talk about my old artwork that I made in 2017. We are going from general to specific. The first problem is the background. I have been struggling with backgrounds since then. I will try my best to improve something. So I remember that I've made the main emphasis on this line right here, but it actually has no sense because it catches the viewer's attention in the wrong way. We need to be focused on his face, because when we are talking about human portraits, the face and especially the eyes is the first thing where the viewer looks. The next thing that bothers me is this awful backlight and his frizzled hair. I hate painting curly hair because it's actually not easy to draw. So we also need to get rid of these backlight lines that we have all over his silhouette. It doesn't support the picture in any way. Everything that we do needs to be supportive. Everything should work for us, not against us. And right now I can see that on the background there is nothing that can indicate that there is some light source. This backlight is from nowhere. We need to get rid of it. I hate the way how my brushwork has been made. There is no logic beside them. It doesn't work for us. It doesn't give volume, depth in our picture. We need to sculpt it again in order to be more believable and more consistent. As you can see, composition wise it's unbalanced because his hoodie here grabs too much space in our format. We need to get rid of the hoodie or crop our picture in different ratio. There is also another compositional problem right here. His head is cropped and in a very uncomfortable way. We need to fix this by adding more space above his head. Let's go to specific zones such as nose, eyes, lips and eyebrows. Let's talk about the eye level. The eye level is too low compared to the nose. We need to move it a little bit higher and it gives additional length to our nose. Here we can see that his crease between lips is symmetrical and aligned with other parts of his face. They are parallel and it's okay. But if we look at the reference, we can see that his lines are not parallel because his face is asymmetrical. So the main issue here is the left corner of his mouth should be a little bit higher in order to give us that asymmetrical look. Why it is better than symmetrical one? Because we are not actually fully symmetrical and it's okay to be like that. That feature makes us more unique and look more like a human being. So I guess here we are. Let's start. So this is it. Let's compare them side by side. So the first thing that catches my eye is brushwork. It is improved, it looks so much better, smoother, and the volume is here. The depth is here. The head is sculpted. The hair has changed a lot. I've struggled with them again, but I think they look a little bit better than before. I've added the length to his nose and the eye level is moved. It looks more consistent. His mouth is asymmetrical right now. I've got rid of the hood. It didn't allow me to crop the image properly without unbalanced composition. I don't know what type of clothes it is right now. I haven't had no ref for it, but I think it looks okay. We have some kind of wall on the background. The background is still textured, but a little bit more creative, I guess. I've made a vignette all over the picture, and I think it looks so much nicer. His ears are not detailed at all because I was too lazy to do it actually. So I think it looks pretty good even without details. I guess this is it. So leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Goodbye, see ya!